Hey, so last time we talked about this kind of bounce light that comes back up and off and is on the back side of these. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Otherwise, we're going to talk about this like hyper rim light that's coming back on to the piece itself. So you could use something that is super contrasty like white. That could work, again, entirely based on your style. However, I'm trying to be a little bit more accurate to what the actual picture looks like, and so it's not pure white. If it was pure white, it would be really, really stark, and it might be a little bit hard to see, but these are actually a little bit off-white, and this isn't necessarily white itself. So instead, same thing with what happens with bounce light, is you're going to take into consideration the actual source itself. So it's going to be this orange. Now, when I say you're going to bump up the contrast, you're going to bump up that value, this is sort of that like value scale. So you have a really dark value and a really bright value. And then this is where it's going to get more saturated. So we're going to desaturate it, because when something is hit with a bright light, it actually desaturates, which is a whole other thing. But it's going to desaturate, and we're going to bring it up a little bit because we want it to be a really big highlight. So maybe like that. So this is a slightly tinted kind of whitey orange, and that is going to be a much more accurate highlight color.